Hello students, in my last video I told you that how Albert goes to the doctor because he was so fed up of his school, and his friend Yuri helps him a lot in finding out the doctor. And later the doctor assured him that of course he is having some nervous problem, and after that when Albert asked him that what is his fees, then the doctor told him that he should take Yuri for dinner. And I told you this also, that although Albert was not having spare money, still he had taken out Yuri for dinner. And now, because the doctor had already given him the certificate, he showed that certificate to Yuri and said, "Is it not wonderful?" Means he was quite happy with that certificate. And Yuri was also agreed, yes, it is fine. 6 months is a good period. Okay, he has written that for 6 months he must be away from school because he is having nervous breakdown problem. So Yuri said, yes, 6 months is a good period, and this way you won't actually be leaving the school. So if the worst comes to the worst, you will be able to come back and carry on for your diploma. Okay, Yuri said that you have got the break for 6 months, and suppose you go to Milan, and if you don't get admission anywhere, then you can come back here and carry on for your diploma. Suppose your worst time comes. 6 months is a long period of time, and suppose you don't get any admission, you don't get any kind of support from there, then you can come back and carry on your diploma. And then Albert assured Yuri, I'll never go back to that place. Means that he was feeling so suffocated in that school that he never wanted to go back to that school. And then he said, I'm going to take this certificate to the head teacher tomorrow, and that will be the end of it. Okay, he wanted to show this certificate to the head teacher, and he thought it will be the end of that school. Don't forget to get a reference in writing from your mathematics teacher first, Yuri reminded him. And Yuri told him, don't forget that you have to take your writing certificate from your mathematics teacher first. Mr. Coach willingly gave Albert the reference he wanted, and his maths teacher was Mr. Coach, and he very happily, without any problem, he had given Albert the reference whatever he wanted from him. And then the teacher said, if I say I can't teach you anymore and probably you will soon be able to teach me, will that be alright? He asked. Because he was having so much interest in mathematics, he was quite good in mathematics also. So his maths teacher asked him if it will not be a blunder that I write that I can't teach you now anymore, and soon you will be able to teach me. And then that saying too much, sir, said Albert, because it was a big thing for him. So Albert quite happy and said, sir, it is a big thing for me. It's only the truth, but all right, I'll put it more seriously. And then the teacher said, of course, it is right. But still, I'm not going to write this, I'll write it more seriously. And it was still a glowing reference. Mr. Coach made the point that Albert was ready immediately to enter a college or institute for the study of higher mathematics. Okay, and now his teacher, maths teacher, Mr. Coach, had given him a reference in which he had written that Albert was ready immediately to enter a college or institute for the study of higher mathematics. Okay, in my next video I'll continue the remaining chapter.